Hey hackers, Blue Cosmo here from CCS, and today I just have a new ParrotOS installation here on my computer, and I'm going to be customizing it because you don't really see a lot of YouTubers going through and customizing their new Linux setup. So I thought I'd make a video off of that. We'll also be kind of just making some cool conversation, customizing this to optimize it for like my workflow and things like that. I also have a CTF competition thing tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. If I record it, I'll try, but we'll see what happens. Just kind of like an introductory video about the channel and things like that. So yeah, let's get started. I have my setup file right here of everything I really need to do. So I guess we can kind of just go through it. So yeah, I'm sorry if I keep looking over here. I didn't, my pictures or my self-recording is on the bottom right over here. So I just keep looking over there instead of the camera right there. Yeah. But anyways, so we're just going to go through this. So CCS is the company I'm starting. It is Cosmodium Cybersecurity, named after my nickname Cosmo, and I got that nickname because apparently I'm always reaching for the stars, so Cosmo, and I guess that's an appropriate background. Yeah, so we have a few things that we need to do. Let's make a new file. So we had to go through the setup file, so let's do setup file, and then we need to, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry if my typing's kind of bad. Alright, set a file, and then we need to do the panels, and then just the settings. That should be it, but I could be wrong. So, alright, yeah, let's do this. Alright, cool. So menu. So yeah, CCS, Cosmodium Cybersecurity, is the company that I am starting. It's a pretty cool company. I'll leave the website link in the description along with my Instagram. Basically it's focused on not just cybersecurity, but also privacy as well, because it is often neglected when it comes to certain security foundations, kind of like certain VPNs, how they still will collect your data regardless of, they'll put like your security over your privacy, and I don't like that concept. So the whole point of CCS is that it makes both of which a priority. It makes your privacy a priority as well as your security. So that's kind of like the main goal of my company. You can feel free to help donate and get it started. I spelled terminal wrong. But yes, I hope you guys like that kind of concept I'm going for, and hopefully you guys can help me out with that. So yeah. Links will be in the description. So yeah, what we look for in this channel, well, you'll see definitely a lot of ethical hacking and cybersecurity videos for sure. You'll also see you'll also see, I don't know, I'm pinning all of these to my desktop. I don't even know what these are. I think I'm doing this wrong. Hold on. Firefox. I don't have to go into our add-on terminal. Alright. So home. What's home? It just says home here. I think that's supposed to be there. Oh, never mind. Home as in the file directory. Libre. So yeah, right now I'm setting up the desktop. I'm sorry, I keep like switching all my topic categories. So yeah, this channel, you'll see a lot of ethical hacking, a lot of Python, cybersecurity topics, things like that, really. Hopefully it'll be pretty interesting. If you're interested in that type of content, feel free to subscribe. And I'll be doing CTFs as well. Pretty much everything in that general like vicinity, that basis of I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm not good at this conversation type of thing, just talking to the camera. I'll have to get used to this, but hopefully I'm not boring y'all, because this is going to be a long video. I'm doing the customization. But basically, right now, I'm sitting at the desktop with all my favorites menu, with all the programs I use the most. So for the desktop, what else do I need? I have Libre, right? We need Pluma, and then Pluma. I can put this on both as well. Then what's next? Oh, I hate that noise. I'm gonna turn that off in the settings. I hate this joint. That's so annoying. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of that. Oh, another pretty common question within this like cybersecurity ethical hacking world is like Kali Linux or ParrotOS or Parrot Security, whatever you want to call it. I personally prefer Parrot. It just works better for me, works better on my computer. I'm a little more accustomed to it. But go for Kali if you like it. Like just try it out. You can definitely find videos of people's Kali Linux installations on the internet, and just do whatever you want. One unique thing that Kali has is the Undercover Mode, and it basically allows your computer to look like a Windows 10 machine in case if you're in public and things like that. But Parrot does have more tools on the ethical hacking side, so it doesn't really matter. I know Parrot is very privacy based as well, like a non-surf. I'll show you guys that later in the video, but it's basically like it's an anonymizing VPN type of thing, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so do whatever floats your boat. Do whatever you think is best for you. I just personally prefer Parrot. It's just kind of a good tune. It works better on older computers. This isn't an old computer. This is a really good computer, but it does work better on older computers. And I always get like these weird like error messages, like these like really crappy installations when I'm doing Kali. So do whatever you want, do whatever floats your boat. I'm just informing y'all about my experience with with Kali. Control center. This can go on the desktop. Alright, so let me see our favorites menu. So we have Firefox, I don't care about Chromium, Tor, Atom, Terminal, Libre, Pluma, and CryptPad. Alright, so we need the dictionary. Oh, that's what I need to do. So add to favorites menu. Then we have to do the hotkeys. Bro, I cannot type today. I don't know what's going on. But shoot. Alright. So favorites. We have CryptPad dictionary, focus screen, pin to favorites menu, and then focus screen, VLC, to favorites, control center, pin to favorites, and then the search tool. Alright, so this should be the completed favorites menu, right? So we did favorites. That looks good to me. All right, cool. Yeah, I think we finished favorites. All right, so desktop, favorites, and then the panels in here. Did I put panels in here? Yeah, I'll have to put that in there. It's already in here. All right, so now I'm going to do the desktop. So control center. Where's the desktop area? Where's it look and feel, I think? All right, I'll wait until we get there. But so it's going to put this in order of the desktop. I like my desktop on Linux in a horizontal pattern rather than a vertical pattern, like kind of like on the left side. You guys will see what I'm saying when I finish it, but it just looks better with the installation or the OS or whatever. Alright, so we have Firefox, we got Tor. Where's Atom? Then we need terminal. Where's rename? Alright, rename. Terminal. Let's put it under there for now so I can still see what I need to put. I want to minimize this, or not minimize it, but make it a little shorter. Let me make that a little shorter. Alright, there you go. So we have Firefox, Tor, Atom, terminal. Then we need home. Alright, we're renaming that. Can we rename that? Yeah. Home. Then we need Libre. I'll do Office. Why not? Is it too long? Oh no, that's fine. LibreOffice. Then Pluma. Then EncryptPad. And then Control Center. Oh, then trash and then Control Center. And then trash. Okay. Let's close that. Alright, so that should be the desktop. Is that aligned? It's not aligned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so there's 5 on each side. I'm going to rename Control Center to Settings because I don't want it to be too long. Settings. I'm just making them an even space between each other to make sure there's no like really weird gaps in between all of them. Alright, I think that's centered. No, that's not centered. Alright, that's centered. Alright, we'll fix it in a little bit. I just want to have these, and then we'll remove those two in a little bit. Alright, so Control Center. Alright, I don't care about print settings. I don't know what this is. Package Manager. I don't care. Yeah, close. I don't close. No, I don't care. Alright, date and time. That looks fine to me. Users and groups. The Cosmo, that's me. Account type. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Alright. Bluetooth, don't care. I didn't. Okay. Bluetooth, don't care. Displays, let's see displays. Close it, it's not important. Keyboard, I'm just making sure everything's all good. So yeah, right now I'm going through the settings list and I'm making sure that all the settings are good so that there's nothing like dumb in here or anything. So there's no errors. I'll try to keep the conversation flowing so I don't get all quiet for no reason. Keyboard shortcuts. Alright, what are the keyboard shortcuts that I need? I don't think I wrote these down, but it's fine. Alright, I'll make a new section. Shortcuts. Jeez, I cannot type to save my life. Alright, so we need one for calculator. Calculator, which will be Alt Home. Then we're going to need one for Firefox. I'll just put browser, whatever your browser is, and then I'll do Alt B. Alt B. Then we need one for our notes. So that can be Alt N. Alright, what else do we need? I think those are the main ones. Calculator. Oh, we can have one Alt S. Oh, okay. So for our dictionary. Alright, dictionary. Sorry, I'm checking my phone. Alright, dictionary. I don't want to do Alt D because that's for search, the search joint. So we can do Alt S. Yeah, Alt S for search. So Alt S. Alright, so we have calculator, browser, notes, dictionary. Do we need anything else? Let me look through my favorites menu and see if any. We have search. I don't need add-on. Pluma, encryptpad. I mean, we could just do Alt E for encryptpad if we want. I mean, let's do like encryptpad. I mean, this isn't really a requirement, but I like encryptpad for like recon and things like that. All right, so that should be good. Pad. So let's go through here. So we'll add custom ones. So this one will be call this one Firefox. Actually, I'll call this one browser in case we ever change our browser. Browser. Then the command will be Firefox, and then Firefox. Apply. Browser. So Alt B. There you go. Now we're just going to have to repeat this again. So what was the other one again? Notes, right? So we can do notes. Command will be Pluma. Apply. And then it will be Alt N. Alright, so we have, oh yeah, calculator. So add what's called calc. And then the command will be make tac calculator. Calculator. That's how you do it, right? Alt T. If I do mate the calculator. Yeah, alright. So Control W, Control D. Alright. Apply. And this will be Alt Home. Alright, what's next? Browser, notes, dictionary. Do we do dictionary? Alright. Dictionary. Then the command will be mate or mate. I keep saying mate. I'm sorry. I know it's mate. I just, when I'm reading it, I read mate. Mate dictionary. Alright. Apply. Dictionary. This is what? Alt S. And then encryptpad. we can just put EPAD, and then I'm pretty sure it's encrypt TACpad, and then we can just do Alt E. So I'm gonna make sure Alt E. If we do encrypt TACpad, yeah, Fred. Oh, I don't think there is a TAC. I think it's just encrypt pad. Yeah, okay. So close that. I'm turning off that noise. Y'all hear it, right? Yeah. Alright, encrypt. Remove the TAC. Pad, apply. Alright. So if these right, so I should be able to do Alt S and then tree. My battery's not low, it just shows up as orange. It's like 47. I have an hour 12. Oh, yeah, never mind. My battery is low. Yeah, see, tree. Alright, cool. So the dictionary works. Encrypt pad, that works. Alt E. If I hit Alt Home, that works. If I hit Alt N, I have my notes. Cancel. Alright. Alt N works, and then Alt B. Yeah, that works. Yeah, alright, I think that's it, right? Yeah, alright, cool. So we're done with these. We can close that and minimize that for now. Alright, mouse, what's next? So I'm trying to get through this a little bit quicker for y'all, because I know this can get kind of boring. Drag and drop, double click. I don't really care. Enable middle mouse play. I don't know what that is. Alright, enable touchpad, disable touchpad while typing. Actually, yeah, because I tend to hit the touchpad while I'm typing by accident. Enable mouse clicks with touchpad. Scrolling, 2-finger scrolling I'm fine with. Acceleration, alright, that looks good to me. Mouse, alright, what's next? Power management. Put display when active for 30 minutes, set the brightness, blah blah. To move display when I don't know. On battery. This looks fine to me, honestly. That's fine. I'm sure. I'm not going to go through the power joint. Sound theme. No sounds. So when I do like Alt T, the noise is gone. Thank you. That noise was annoying. I don't know why they should no. They should get rid of that. That joint is annoying. Internal microphone. I don't really know what these are, to be honest. Close. Alright, alright, sound, we just did that. Time date, my time date's fine. Internet and network. It's network configuration. Yeah. Firewall configuration, I don't care. Network. Appearance. Alright, cool. So now we're getting to the cool stuff. This is, alright, so I want a custom joint. Background is fine. Interface. Alright, so we're going to customize this. I want the arc dark. Or maybe I want, what is the icy? Isn't there an icy one? Icy dark? Yeah. I like icy dark. And then like the window border can be arc dark. I think that looks good. Icons. Yeah, see there's a Windows 10 if you want to make your Linux setup look like Windows. I don't, but if you want to do that for whatever reason, you can go ahead. Alright, alright, this is looking kind of chaotic. Does that look good? Window border. What color is the window? Arc dark. Icy dark. No, I like the contrast with the arc dark. Alright, so we can close that. Minimize that for a second. Let me see if I go go to our home directory. Oh yeah, no, that looks nice. Yeah, I like that. The like that kind of black and blue. Yeah. I'm here for it. Alright. So appearance. That looks good, yeah. Alright, so custom. You can save it. We're going to call this Cosmo. Alright, I cannot type. Oh my gosh, Cosmo. Save. Yeah, so you can choose it. That's awesome. So you can make your own custom themes and save them. And you can just click on them. So I can go on like this. Oh, no, don't like that. But let's say that's my theme. I can just go back to Cosmo and have my custom. And you can also download custom themes from online. So you can get whatever people made online. You can download it, apply it. I'm sure you can find some pretty cool ones. I think I saw like a neon one. It was actually kind of tough, like a party or something with those clubs. Anyways, no, I don't care what that is. Main menu. Oh, what do I not need? I mean, close. Alright, applications. Privacy is fine. Sandbox. Education. Alright. I'm going to turn off the education one. Can I do that? Applications. Where's education? Yeah. Turn that off. So we already have Office. And Office already has like a lot of the cool stuff. Like it has everything pretty much. The only thing I would add is the calculator. Location. No. It's an application. Name. Oh wait, how do I'm sure there's a way you can add like different applications. What was it? Alright, so new item is an application. Mate calculator. Command, it's pretty much mate tech calculator. Comment. I don't know where the calculator app is, so Control F if I do calc. Yeah. There you go. So that should be, yeah, the Mate calculator. Alright, awesome. So we have the calculator in our office thing. Internet. Do I need anything here? Don't have Bitcoin. Don't know what that is, so I don't care. Kingfisher, I'll leave that. Links to, don't know what that is. I'll leave Onion. QB I've heard about that, so I'll leave it on here. Remote desktop client. Why not? No. Yeah, I'll leave those. Alright. Graphics. Oh, what the heck? Sound and video. What the heck? Games. No, I'm just going to close the games. I don't. Yeah, I mean, there's this chess game thing on here. It's not that fun. Yeah, anyways, pen testing. I'm not going to touch that because it's already really good. Chirp, don't know what that is. Don't care. I don't know why that's not working. There you go. Get cola. Close. I don't care. Zeal, no. VS Cosmodium, no. Yeah, I'll leave the database joint here. Python, yeah. We'll leave both of these up here. Alright, anything else that we need in here? There you go. Alright. So programming's good. System tools. Honestly, I'm just going to leave this alone. I don't really need to worry about that. Accessories. Vim? Why is Vim not in, okay, hold on. So I'll leave that up. Where's, programming? New item. That's weird that they don't have Vim in here. Application and terminal. Vim. Command. Vim. And then %F. Comment. Edit. Text. Files. There you go. Okay. And then close that. So yeah, now I have Vim in there. Cool. System tools. I already went through that. Accessories. Don't really care about those. Universal access. Alright, I'm gonna turn universal access off. There's only one thing on here. And then others already turned off. Cool. Alright, so that should be good. Close that. Alright. Latte tweak. Alright, show desktop icons. Yeah. Turn off computer. Turn off mounted volumes. I'm gonna just delete that thing. Yeah, I don't care. Alright, so we have the home and the trash. That's fine with me. Panel. Show applications. Show places, show system. That's fine. Windows. Enable animations. Enable window snapping. Right. Yeah, there you go. We're back to how things are supposed to be. Do I need anything else? No? Yeah, that should be good. Alright. Pop-up notifications. Theme. What's Cocoa? Yeah, I like Cocoa. I wasn't Nautica. No. Slider. Oh yeah, so right now I'm just testing. I like Slider. I'm just testing the notifications. I'm going to talk a little more. Sorry, I was kind of just in the zone for a little bit. I kind of like the way Cocoa looks a little bit. I'll leave it in the top right. Yeah, that looks good. Looks good. General theme, Cocoa. Position top right. Use active monitor preview. Alright, yeah, that looks good. Alright, we'll close that. Screensaver. I usually go for the blank screen because I want to have to deal with. Oh, Cosmo. Haha. Floating. No. What's this? Preview. Oh, leave full screen. No. Floating mates. Pictures folder. No. That's pretty iconic. Alright, I'm gonna just go for the blank screen. I don't really care. Close. screensaver, just to make sure. Blank screen. All right, cool. All right, Windows. Did we do that already? Yeah, all right. Toolbar to position right. Disable thumbnails and alt tab. No. Enable could be. So yeah, right now we're just going through the window preferences. Nothing too. I'm kind of just going quickly through these because they're not that important. And the default, you don't even. I highly suggest customizing your setups when you get them. But you can do what you want. Have fun with it. Make it like your own. That's one of the most beautiful things about Linux in general. Is like how much you can actually customize it. Personal about me. Okay. I think I have my logo in here. All right, yeah. There you go. Cosmodium cybersecurity. Check it out. Close. All right. Assistive technologies. Don't care. File management. Let me see. New folders. Extensions. Media. Photo. What? Preview. List columns. Honestly, I think this should be fine. Yeah, I'm fine with this. Yeah, that looks good. What's next? Onboard settings. I don't even know what that means. Onboard settings. Always show visible workspace. Transparency. Do I have to go through all of this, dude? Like, honestly, I'm not going to worry about that. That looks fine. Preferred applications. Okay, this actually might be important. Firefox. I don't have a mail thing. No. Image viewer. We're going to use image viewer. Actually, no. I'm going to use GNU because I can both just view it and then just to see it, and I can just edit it as well. It's like in one spot. It's just like opening it up in the editor kind of thing. Multimedia player, VLC, video player, VLC. That's fine. Text editor. I want to say put Atom here, but it would take a while to load. I'm gonna leave it as Pluma. Terminal is fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Office document viewer, like a PDF document. All right, I'm sure that's fine. Yeah, word processor. Yeah, that's good. Visual. I don't know what either of those means. All right, well, close. Cool. So preferred startup applications. Can I just choose nothing? These should be fine, actually, because I don't want to do those. No. Options. No. All right. Yeah. All right. Startup applications. Those are fine. Don't care. Input method. I'm sure this is some dumb bullcrap. Okay. You know what? I don't care. Select no if you do not wish to recommend. Yeah, I'm not going to cancel. Just forget. Alright. Java 8, I don't care. That should be it. Isn't there like a lock screen or something? I could have remembered there's a way to edit the lock screen, but I forgot how you do that. Unless if I already went through it. Appearance. Was I just not paying attention? Oh, sorry. Was I just not paying attention? Maybe I should make a light theme as well, you know, Cosmo. No. You see, I was trying to get all fancy and creative, but I don't like light themes. I'm gonna keep it dark. Alright, close that. Do we need anything else in here? Did we get everything? Alright, fingers crossed we got everything. Cool. Close that. Now let's check. So we went through the settings. Setup file. Did we go through the whole setup file? We did the shortcuts. Oh, we had to do the panels. Alright. We did the hotkeys. Alright, so yeah, so all we had to do is the panels and then we're done. So, cool. Alright, how are we going to do these panels? So, I don't like having, no, we're going to remove all of those from the panel. I don't like that. Preferences, let's just do the whole joint. Yep, all 6 of them. Because I don't use this top bar for a lot of stuff, so I don't really care. Add to bar. So, what are we going to add to the panel? Do I have a top? So we have the force quit. Oh, wait, hold on. Timer. Alright, so I'm going to put this up here. So we need the timer. I want to add that. Oh, I'm going to remove one of these. So we have the timer. Then we have force quit. Then we have what's next? Force quit. We need the sticky notes. Then we need the connect to server. I put 2 O's here. Connect. Oh yeah, so just to give you guys some context, I'm going to be basically creating or customizing the panels. So the panels are this thing up here, and also have a good idea. I usually have a panel on the left, and I'll kind of show you how I do it without it making it look too chaotic. So we're going to close that. Going to so we need, how many stops do we need? We need 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we need about 3. Alright, so we're going to add to panel. What are they called? Isn't it like add separator or something? So, yeah, separator. Alright, so we need 1 on that side, 1 on that side. 1, 2. Alright. If I need more, I'll just add more. So we need 1 here. And we need 1 here. Then we can keep the 1 on here. And that should be it. So we're going to move. Alright, so preferences. I don't want a name. I'm going to make the standard 10 minutes because that's the typical standard. Show notification. Close. Alright, so I want to move the timer. Start timer. Move the timer to the end here. And move this. So this right here is the connect to server. I work with a lot of server type stuff. I have like 2 servers in my house, and I also work with SSH on the Hack5 tools. So this allows you to, it makes it a little bit easier. You also can bookmark it in your files so you can quickly access the directories on the server and things like that. So it's pretty cool. This right here is sticky notes. It's not that cool. It's just move there. Sticky notes. You basically can create a sticky note on your desk so you can remember something important on your desk, on your desktop. This is force quit. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's force quits different programs, and then we're going to move the timer down here. It just sets a timer. We're going to just move all these into position, and then we'll set the we'll lock them into place and do some other things, and also customize this up a little more. Oh yeah, I'm gonna. What is it? 3. I don't want 4. Takes up too much of the taskbar. Alright, cool. So over here at the top panel, we need the add to panel. Alright, we need to add lock screen, the logout, and then the shutdown. Then close that. Alright, which order is this? Shutdown. Alright, so we're going to move that here. Then it is logout. Move that here. And then lock the screen. Move that here. Alright, so now everything's in order. It's time to lock them. So lock to panel. Lock to panel. Lock to panel. So when you lock it to the panel, you're basically making sure that they won't move around or disappear if you close the program or anything like that. It's just a good habit to lock all these to the panel. Lock the panel, and then lock the panel. Alright, so that's all good. Now we need to actually customize it. So properties on the top, I'm fine. Show the hide buttons, and then the background, solid color. I don't really care what the color is because it's going to be transparent. Yeah. Okay. I don't know why these aren't transparent either, but because that's what they usually do. I show hide arrow buttons. Show hiding arrows. That's fine. I can deal with those. It's not that big of a deal. Background. Color is clear. Cancel. Cool. Alright, so that panel is done. Now it's time for this panel. So properties. This one's pretty much going to be the same, just not the same. Whoa, cancel. Just transparent that. Yeah, alright, I like that. Transparency. General. Close. Alright, that's all good. Now, connect. Oh, I put 2 O's instead of 2 N's. That's what I did. Alright, so connect server. A non-start and stop. I'll go through those in a second. 3 workspaces. Alright, so we need to make a new panel. Alright, new panel. Alright, properties. I want this to be on the left. I want the background to be clear, solid color. Make that clear. Then I want it to auto hide. Alright. So what we want? So we need Firefox on here. Firefox. We need Atom. Oh, nope. Don't mean to do that. Oh, that's fine, whatever. Alright. Then Atom, then we need Terminal. Then we need Home. Then we need Libre, and then we need Pluma. Cool. So let's put it in order. Where are the properties? Minimize this. Alright, let's make this. I'm just gonna keep clicking until it's a good size. Let's do like 55. Yeah, 55 is good. And I'm gonna put that down in here. So left, I'll just put 55 pixels. Save. Minimize that. Alright, cool. So we have Firefox, we have Atom. Then we need to put terminal, home. I didn't need to do that. Home. Then Libre. Minimize. Pluma. Alright, it doesn't matter the space because I am not going to expand it, and it's going to auto hide. Close. So there you go. So let's say if I have like Firefox open, right? I just hit Alt B because I don't have to do anything. So yeah, let's say I have Firefox open, right? I have all this fancy stuff, and shoot, I need to open Pluma, right? And so instead of having to click this and go on Pluma, I could just swipe my mouse to the right side here and have access to the 5 or 6 main programs I use. So I can hit Pluma and have it right there. I could also hit Alt N or anything like that. But it's still pretty cool. And then, but like if I move my mouse up here, so I can still hit the back button things, it's only until I reach this like section right here where I will be, I keep hitting Pluma by accident. So yeah, that's the entire point of what I'm going for, basically. That's the entire point of this panel right here. And I actually kind of like the way this looks, the setup we've gone for. So I'm going to make sure that, so we went through the whole setup file, I believe. Cancel, we don't need to save that. Oh, I mean, sorry, close, we don't need to save that. Okay. There you go. So desktop, did we finish that? Yes, we did. All right. We got our favorite section done. Do we have the search tool in here? Yeah, we do. Okay. Then we have the panels. So we have the top one, and it has the this monitor time. Oh, a non surf and stop. All right, I knew I was forgetting something, which means I'm going to have to unlock these. So yeah, we'll just do that really quick. Unlock. Yeah, customization is a tedious process, but it's like a lot. It's really worth it in the end because you get to make your operating system, your Linux system, like your own. It makes it a little more unique for you, and things like that. So a non surf and stop. So we will. All right. So we'll put a non note right over here. Oh, okay. Then we can just what is it? Add to panel. Was it separator or something? Add one of these. Move right there. All right, cool. And do I have this in here? Yeah, I do. Okay. And then we'll just have to. And instead of just to save on room and on start / stop. So sticky notes, and then we can do Foursquare this one more. These alright, yeah, cool. So that should be good. So save that. Are we missing something? Yeah, menu. Alright, anon. and then a non-stop we need right here. Cancel. No, not trying to. Okay, let's try this again. A non-stop. Let's put it right here and then move it to right here. All right, that should be good. I'll tell you guys what a non-surf is. I think I already told you guys. I'll just generalize it again. So basically, a non-surf is a anonymizing VPN of sorts. It basically encrypts all your traffic, makes you pretty much practically anonymous when you're going on the web. So yeah, so what a non-surf basically does, it will basically make a VPN. It's like an anonymizing VPN, like I said earlier. It will encrypt your traffic, change your IP address, change your location, all for free. So you don't even have to get one of those fancy VPNs that steal your information off of the App Store. You could just get Parrot and get a non-surf. And I'm pretty sure you can get a non-surf on Kali. It's a little bit more difficult. It just comes pre-installed on the ParrotOS system. It's just a lot easier. But anyways, that's it. I'm done. This is the ParrotOS installation right here. It's very beautiful. I actually like it a lot. I think it looks really good. But if you guys don't like something, change it up a little bit. Change the wallpaper. Change the desktop. Change the panels. If you guys like the idea, if you guys like how I have this side panel here to quickly access things if I'm on a full screen, or if I don't feel like touching the keyboard or anything like that, just making your life easier, then go ahead and do that. Make your Linux installation your own. Make it unique, make it yours. And feel free to send me what yours look like. I have my Instagram page, Cosmodium.cs, at Instagram. And you guys feel free to hashtag Cosmodium or something. Or just send it to me, DM me. I'm always looking for cool stuff. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And yeah, happy hacking.